Where do I find my employer ID number on TaxAct? Hi everyone, this is Alana from Create, Login and Delete. Let's jump right into the video. First of all, open up any web browser and head over to taxact.com. On this web page, click on the option of Sign In. Then enter your username. Now enter your password. After that, click on the option of Agree and Sign In. Now, in TaxAct, your employer identification number refers to the federal employer identification number assigned to your business by the Internal Revenue Service. If you are an employee, your employer EIN is not typically something you would need to provide while filing your personal tax return. However, if you are self-employed or have any other income from a business, you may need to enter your own EIN. Once logged in, you want to access the tax return for the appropriate tax year that you need to file or review. For that, you want to click on the option of Income or Self-Employment Income. If you are required to enter your EIN, TaxAct will prompt you to do so in the appropriate section. Follow the on-screen instructions to enter your EIN accurately. After entering your EIN, review your tax return carefully to ensure that all the information, including your EIN, is entered correctly. Once you have reviewed your return and confirmed all the information is accurate, you can proceed to save and file your tax through TaxAct. And that's it for this video. If you have any questions or confusions, do leave them on the comment section below, and don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.